Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. The lowdown on building your own compost. Yes, I know, it's another compost video, but you can't hear this too many times because this is really important. It's important for our environment. It's important for reducing our waste, reducing our carbon footprint, and it's important if you want to grow a good garden. And I don't care where you are, even if you're in an apartment, you can do a little bit of composting. So I'm going to go over the things I'm adding to my great big compost pile. And I mean, great big barn manure straw pile. Top things that I'm going to add to that to help get it going, get it fermenting so that I can have compost hopefully sooner rather than later. So here you go. Here is my list. We're going to go over it, and then I'll go over at the end some other things. Eggshells. I can't tell you how important these are. They add calcium to your soil. Most soils are calcium deficient, and adding calcium is really important for stem cell growth. Number 2 thing, and I'm collecting from all of my friends, is coffee grounds. They contain key minerals for plant growth, including nitrogen, calcium, potassium, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, and chromium. And they also attract worms, which are great for your garden. If you're not a coffee drinker, add your tea leaves because your tea bags contain tannic acid and nutrients that are also fertilizers for your garden. Food waste. Again, it attracts worms, adds all sorts of things to your compost. Leaves break down in about a year and they contain calcium and nitrogen for your garden. Wood ash is good for your garden. It contains lime and potassium and provides trace elements. But be careful putting it directly around acid-loving plants as it's very alkaline, so avoid blueberries, azaleas, and rhododendrons. Number 6, grass clippings, but be sure to get them from only organic sources. Number 7, sawdust and wood chips, but remember, no treated wood. Number 8, cardboard. Number 9, shredded paper. Remember, no human, cat, or dog waste goes into your compost pile. Don't use logs or large branches. Save those for your hugelkultur bed. While wood ash is good, charcoal briquettes from the store is bad. Don't add that to your compost. There's some wonderful reasons why everybody should compost, and here are a few. Number 1, and most importantly, it saves water. Number 2, it saves you money. You don't have to buy bagged soil, fertilizers. It also reduces landfill waste. So I hope you enjoyed this little review of why you should compost and what you can compost. And I hope that it helps. And I just wanted to put that out there for everybody. I know it's been done before, but I wanted to share it myself. Thank you and have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.